Your friends and family are going to absolutely love you when you make them this incredible, delicious, and super flavorful stuffed mushroom recipe. And they don't have to know that it is really, really easy. The full recipe is in the description, so go check that out if you want to make this at home. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every week for my new recipes. We're starting out with 24 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, stems removed and hollowed out slightly. I just used a small spoon to do that. Now we've got a pound of lean ground turkey. If you want this to be vegetarian or vegan, just sub in your favorite ground plant-based meat alternative. We've got garlic, onion, salt, pepper, rosemary, sage, and thyme, along with some tomato paste mixed into that turkey. We're going to stuff all these mushroom caps and then place them on a sheet lined with foil. You can optionally top with panko or leave it off, and bake at 350 for 25 minutes or until the turkey is cooked through to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Top with some parsley if you want, and these are absolutely delicious and actually really healthy. The perfect treat. If you want to get creative, save the stems and the scoopings of the mushrooms and make a stock out of it. You can put them in a big pot of water with a bunch of fresh herbs, some garlic and onion, simmer it for an hour or two, and you've got a really flavorful mushroom stock. So that way you're using every single part of it and there's no waste. I mean, it's so simple, but it's so good. It's so flavorful with everything we put in there. The mushrooms are nice and tender. It's got so much moisture because of the meat and the mushroom releasing some of the liquid throughout the baking. Fantastic recipe. Once again, it is in the description if you want to make this at home. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Make sure you like and comment, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.